start where a real truck earns its respect, the back. One look at the rear of the 2027 Toyota Tacoma and you immediately see confidence. It sits wide and grounded, with redesigned LED taillights stretching outward to emphasize that broad stance. The tailgate feels heavy-duty, solid enough that you could literally use it as a mobile workstation. Toyota clearly engineered this bed for real-world use, not just showroom appeal. It's deep, tough, and ready for everything from construction tools to camping gear or a pair of dirt bikes for a weekend escape. Compared to rivals like the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado, the Tacoma's bed feels more purpose-driven, less flashy, more let's get to work. Be honest, when was the last time a tailgate design actually made you stop and look twice? Now moving over to the left side, and this is where the Tacoma's character really shows. The body lines are sharp and athletic, almost like a performance SUV that decided to bulk up and become a truck. The flared fenders give it that muscular, ready-for-anything look. It rides on aggressive wheels that scream off-road capability, and the ground clearance is perfectly judged. It's tall enough to command respect, but not so tall that it feels awkward in the city. When you park this next to something like the Nissan Frontier, the Tacoma simply looks more modern, more refined, and more serious. It has that, I'll hit the trails after work energy. So let me ask you, would you actually take this beast off-road, or would you keep it polished for city cruising? Slide around to the right side, and you notice how balanced the whole design feels. The strong shoulder line flows cleanly from front to rear, and the way the cab merges into the bed looks intentional and seamless. Nothing feels pieced together. Toyota designed this truck to compete not only with midsize rivals like the Ranger and Colorado, but to visually challenge full-size trucks like the Ford F-150 in terms of presence. From certain angles, it genuinely looks bigger than it is. And in this segment, presence matters. When you pull up at a red light next to other pickups, do you want to blend in or make a statement? Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck revealed really flips expectations. If you still think pickups have basic, plastic-heavy interiors, you're in for a surprise. The cabin feels modern, tech-forward, and surprisingly upscale. Right in the center is a massive touchscreen that dominates the dashboard. The system is fast, crisp, and packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced navigation, and multiple camera views that make parking and off-roading much easier. The materials feel like a major upgrade over previous Tacoma generations. Soft touch panels, detailed stitching, and supportive sporty seats create an environment that feels both rugged and refined. You don't feel like you're sitting in a bare-bones work truck. You feel like you're in something designed for both business and daily comfort. The driving position is commanding. You sit high, visibility is excellent, and every control feels within easy reach. Let me throw this out there. Would you daily drive this over a luxury SUV? Or does the SUV still win for you? Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things get wild. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma comes equipped with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out over 600 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. Yes, in a midsize pickup. That's serious performance territory. We're talking 0 to 100 km/h in around 4.5 seconds. That's sports car quick. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a capable all-wheel drive system, this truck launches hard but stays composed. Whether you're accelerating onto the highway, climbing rocky trails, or tackling snowy mountain roads, it feels stable and controlled. Compared to something like the Ranger Raptor, this Tacoma setup feels both explosive and refined. And here's something to think about. Did you ever expect a pickup truck to embarrass performance SUVs at a traffic light? What makes it even more impressive is that it doesn't sacrifice practicality. You can still tow, you can still haul, you can still take it off-road without hesitation. Toyota has balanced power with functionality in a way that feels intentional. It's not just about numbers, it's about versatility. Imagine showing up at a track day in a Tacoma and keeping up with half the cars there. Would you actually try that? Now let's talk money. Pricing will vary depending on trim and market, but expect this high-performance Tacoma to sit above standard midsize pickups. It won't be cheap. But when you consider the performance figures, the technology inside, the upgraded materials, and Toyota's long-standing reputation for durability, the price begins to make sense. You're not just buying horsepower, you're investing in reliability and brand trust. And we all know Toyota trucks are famous for going the distance. High mileage, no problem, tough terrain. Bring it on. When you spend this kind of money, peace of mind matters. So what's the final verdict? The 2027 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck revealed is more than just an update. It's a bold statement. It combines aggressive styling, premium interior upgrades, advanced technology, and jaw-dropping performance into one seriously compelling package. It challenges the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado head-on, and in some ways, even nudges into full-size territory in terms of power and presence. Is it too powerful for a mid-size truck? Maybe, but is that really a bad thing? Sometimes it's not about what you need, it's about what makes you excited every time you press the throttle. This Tacoma feels like it was built for drivers who want it all. Work capability, off-road confidence, daily comfort, and sports car-level speed. Now I want to hear from you. Would you pick the 2027 Toyota Tacoma over the Ranger or Colorado? Would you take it deep into the trails, line it up at a drag strip, or use it as your ultimate daily driver? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. If you enjoyed this full breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next on Drive Zone Meter. We've got more powerful machines coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.